Hi. I already found my AirPod.
No, I didn't.
Sir, no, I supposed to ask you like, I think 4 days ago,
Yeah.
but I found it there.
Oh, you have.
Yeah. So
Maybe you.
that's why I asked where are you, because maybe you see my AirPod
If
last
customer
time.
they lost it in here, so I will keep for them.
Yeah, alright. Yeah. Without my AirPod I cannot.
Who took this for you? Why you got this one?
No, I already found it.
Oh.
Yeah.
But how can you find it?
In my app.
My file.
Yeah, you just go to Bluetooth, and then after that you found your AirPod where it is.
So what is
So yeah, so I'll just have long black and bacon and egg wrap, please.
long in the box?
Yeah. Thank you so much. That's why I'm looking for you last time. But I think you're in the restroom last time.
Yes. So
Yeah.
Did I say so? Where you come back? You gone.
Yeah, what's her name again? What's your name?
Tristan.
Yeah, Tristan. What's her name? The lady?
The new girl.
No, the one you always with.
Linda.
Linda. Ah, she's Linda.
Yeah.
Ay. Okay, thank you. Hi, mi amor. Nahubang latbi, dako ang latbi. Kamusta, mi amor? May kausap lang ako kasi last time nawala yung AirPod ko na to. Tapos 'di ba kapag nawala yung AirPod mo, nakikita mo kung nasan siya. Kung saan mo siya huling ginamit or nasan yung AirPod at the moment. So I thought yung AirPod ko makalimutan ko here. Ay, grabe. Late na naman ako nagising. Siguro sa healing ko din. Bango ng perfume ko. It's Chloe. Loading pa ako kasi wala pa akong coffee, and then I didn't have brekkie yet. Didn't have breakfast yet. So that's why. I brought my umbrella with me. Because just in case. Kasi sa Australia, naulan. Tapos naaraw. Diba? Maaraw ngayon, kaya I'm wearing my eyeglasses, sunglasses. Whatever. Ikaw lang ang siyang sa akin sa kambuhan. I don't know bakit sa baba siya. Si Ratbo lang magaling magganto eh. So I'm just having coffee and then wrap. This week, I think yesterday I really feel exhausted. I don't know why. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thank you. sunny day today. Black coffee lang ako. Black coffee. Kasi hindi ako nagko-coffee ng may milk. Tinatry ko, but I'm not used to milk. Kaya black coffee lang ang atake. Black coffee without sugar, without milk, and without creamier. Gusto ko nga pag nasa Pilipinas kasi ako, I'm having a hard time na maghanap ng black coffee na kailangan pupunta ng coffee shop, lalo na pag nasa province ka, ganun. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, nagpapabila kay mama ng coffee stick lang. So nice. I like it. I'm so happy. I'm very happy kasi this is my view. And then I'm having coffee. It's like a old cities, coffee shops. I really like their coffee here. May pasensya na kayo kung medyo loading ako kapag hindi pa ako nagko-coffee. Kasi that's really me. Kapag wala pa akong kape, parang like tulala ako. Tulalala sa aking kwarto at nagmumuni-muni ang tanong sa aking sakin. Sana ko na kamay. Bakit sa'yo? Kailangan ganyan-ganyan yung finger ko para maging good shot. Bakit sa'yo ka na kagustuhan? Parang dula. Black coffee rin ako, me, amor. Hi, Ate Chris. Hi, Ate Chris. I'll just call you Chrislyn. Yeah. Hi, Ate Chrislyn. I know you. You're from Taguig, di ba? From Taguig ka. You are waiting for the blessing for the loyal followers. Bakit sa'yo pa? Ang kagustuhan. Alam niyo ba, yung hair ko, ganito lang siya umahaba. Ewan ko kung mahaba pa siya until here. But, hindi siya OA na umahaba eh. Magkakunti tayo, mas kunti, hanap ko na sa mundo sa simple lang ang aking muling. Feeling ko nga uulan, kumikilimlim na. Kumukulimlim na. Feeling ko kasi tignan nyo. Oh, yun. Maano na yung cloud. Tagig din ako. Hello po. Kate ng eyelash ko. Ano lang ako ngayon, sobrang chill lang. Walang iniintindi, walang anything. Oh, thank you. I'm happy. tubing. Wrap. Ooh, so hot. Cool it down in a bit. In a bit. Maraw na naman. Alam ko yung kanta. Umaaraw umuulan. Good morning. Tinitignan ko yung mga car na every time na dumadaan sila, tinitignan ko yung brand ng car. Kasi I wanna bought another car. Yung car na Chinese, parang ang ganda niya. May Chinese car din kasi here sa Australia. Alright, may amor. Kakain muna mi. Magka-coffee muna mi. Sige na, kahit i-zoom nyo pa yung mukha ko. Naka-zoom ang mukha. Okay, may amor. Sige na muna, makikapi madam. Oo, pwede ka. Lika dito, punta ka sa Australia. Magkapi tayo. Alright, may amor, how ba na lahat, B? Sige na muna, babay na muna. That's just a quick live for me. Kasi, wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-live. Sige na. Sige na. Sige na. Charis. Sige na, may amor, kain mo na, mi. Bye.